Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. They fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen.
Hi, I'm Giulio and I'm building a shovel chopper for a Tripout. The front part of the frame is a stock FXS 1979. The rear fork, so the swing arm is a panhead swing arm, and the fork legs are there's a company called Barney's who started in '64, and these are probably roughly 74. They are known because they I read like these that they made the Easy Rider long extensions for the Easy Rider bike, and it's not very common. And these are really slim, so they're really crazy slim. They hold very little oil. I haven't tried them yet, so I don't know actually. So the engine is 1979, bottom end, SNS heads, SNS pistons, and the stroke has got a big flywheel. I like the fact that it's low and well set in the front, quite slim, but always with old school parts. There's a molded feel to the body, which is what it was dictating the old look, to be honest, because it's such a strange. It's a strange look, and whenever I had the other forks, the original 35mm FXS forks, it looked shit, absolute shit. And so I was just kind of trying to get ideas, and then let me just try these and let me just try that, and this worked, and so I managed to get actually a use for these forks. So I've been collecting stuff in all these boxes, shit. Like, I've been collecting since I was, I started when I was a kid. It's either these, it's very small, so they look fucking crazy like that, I don't know if you can see, or something like these, which is a bit more stock, a bit more normal. Ideally, the whole idea of the bike is it has to be something that works and something you can ride and runs okay. So the fiberglass body is an original Tracy and Friends body. The company used to be called Fiberglass Works with one S, but it's about late 60s. I think this body is probably 68 or 69 because it's one of the first else. Yeah, I didn't say about the brake. Well, I'm always going to that fucking brake. Yeah, so brake, it took me some time to find this caliper because I really like this caliper. I like the parkerizing feel to it, and it's a custom alloy. It's usually mounted on British racing bikes, and it's a Lockheed caliper. What would I feel like if I have to go to the corner shop and get the shittiest stuff, like paracetamol or like milk, and maybe I'm just wearing like some crap. Maybe I've got the Italian stuff. I just gotta always think about what I'm gonna wear. But if I go to the shop and I look like an absolute twat on a really metal flaky bike on a daily, then I just feel like I'm not gonna do it. But if it's something quite, I like stuff that has soul, but not too flesh. So it's not. Although I appreciate it, I think I'll keep it black like these because also it's really shitty and it's got like nice scratches and finishes that. So whatever you add on is just.